Boys and girls, what we are about to present to you is a small skit, a really small skit put together by the alumni of this academy. The skit brings this wonderful evening to an end. Almost entirely scripted by the alumni, the skit you are about to watch is part nostalgic and part humorous. We are assuming the nostalgia will add to the mood. We are also hoping the humor gets your brilliant support. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the skit.
रहे आना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल
8 years have gone by. August 16, 2005. The day I started with the academy. 8 fantastic years of memories and dreams. And now here I am, sitting in this bus on the way to the last convocation. I wonder what they're like. The juniors, they must be so excited to be officially ready for the world outside. I remember that feeling. सोचा था कॉर्नर कैबिन मिलेगा, अब तक कॉर्नर हाउस भी नहीं पहुंचा.
टिकट 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 बॉस टिकट.
Accenture degree circle, please.
Oh, you're from Accenture.
It's Accenture, and yes, I've been with Accenture for the past 8 years.
8 years, and you're still traveling by bus.
Boss, I'm from the compensation team. Can't make fun of my own salary. Get me the ticket, yeah.
20 rupees only, sir.
20 rupees, sir. It was 10 rupees, right?
Boss, I was an auto driver for 5 years before I became a conductor. I know how much to ask an Accenture employee. And you said you're from the compensation team, right? Compensate, sir, compensate.
Huh.
BTM layout.
Santosh! Hey, Nishit! How are you, buddy? Look at you! Grey hair and all, huh? Dude, at least I have hair. Look at yourself. No hair. Anyway, how are you? What are you doing?
I'm good. I'm with IDC HR team now.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
Same good old compensation team, yeah.
Good. Madam, please. Good to see some first batch people still around, huh?
Well, few winners like me have still stuck around, you know. Batch 2 is not bad either. I see many of you still around.
Batch 2 has more winners, you know.
I always knew that.
Okay, thank you. It's going to be a good evening today. I think watching the final batch in their convocation, I can still remember my own convocation like it was just yesterday, man.
And mine I remember like it was day before yesterday.
What days they were as HR cats.
Unforgettable, Nishit.
And we hardly used to get any breaks over the weekends, no?
I've done 35 days on a trot.
Now that's an exaggeration.
Dude, I used to be in recruitment team, right? We used to have weekend events, and on other weekends, professors used to travel all the way for classes.
I know. Those days we used to work late nights on projects.
Yeah.
I mean, we still work late nights. But it's not so much fun. You know what I mean?
Absolutely. For some reason, Maggie and ginger tea have never tasted better after those nights.
Yeah. And you know how we dread getting calls from our leads?
I still remember the way I used to get scared when him used to call me thinking, oh my god, what have I done now? Not anymore.
I know. You know, I think we have grown out of it now.
Couldn't agree more, Nishit. Dear God, Nishit, Haim is calling me.
Santosh, what did you do now?
I don't know, I swear to God.
It's okay. Take a deep breath. Relax and answer Haim's call like we always do. Act normal.
Okay, I'll try to do that. Hi, him. Yeah, him, yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, yeah, got it, him, yeah. Okay.
See, that was easy.
I don't know, Nishit.
Why? What did she say anyway?
The signal was bad. I lost her after she said hi.
What? Santosh, you said yes like some 100 times while talking to her.
Nishit, it was him. Do you think saying no to her is even an option?
That is the only reason why we both are in this skit in the first place.
Exactly.
Me too. Me too.
Me too.
Me too.
Him.
Hey.
There is a girl. There is a girl.
We reached so early, huh? How come?
It's a 10-minute skit, dude. Obviously, we'll reach early. Oh, we're clearly early.
Yeah. What are these two kids doing here? I think they have lost their way.
Yeah.
Let's ask. Hey, Chiltu Biltu.
You're talking to us?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. What are you two kids doing here?
It's the HR Academy convocation.
I think they are here to apply for the 12th batch of academy in advance, not knowing there are going to be no more batches.
Excuse me, boss. My name is Siddharth and I'm from the 7th batch. And I'm here for my own convocation.
What?
Anyway, who are you two?
We're from the first 2 batches.
Goodness me, Amita. Our ancestors.
Hello, sirs. I'm from the 5th batch. Looks like our batchmates are still in salon or spas. Must be on their way, no?
Yeah, but don't call us sir and all. I'm Nishit and he's Santosh.
Yeah, sure. Let's sit and talk till the Audi fills.
Sure.
I see wisdom when I see you.
Thank you.
Dude, she's referring to your grey hair.
Huh?
Anyway, what do you do now? Are you guys retired?
Is it?
Excuse me, boss. We are still with Accenture. I'm with IDC HR team.
And I sit in a corner and do compensation stuff.
Wow.
I think let's get to a neutral topic. Let's talk about cricket.
Clearly, we have a great team presently.
I agree.
You know, I remember ODI World Cup. It was projected on a big screen in our college auditorium. What a win. And a Dhoni sixer. What a brilliant way to end the match.
Absolutely. Santosh, so where were you back then?
I was sitting in a corner and doing compensation stuff.
I remember watching the India T20 final back in school.
Yeah.
That misbound strike last over, Joginder Sharma with the ball.
Killer.
Where were you back then, Santosh?
I was sitting in a corner and doing compensation stuff.
Tell me, how come you guys are so fit and muscle, especially around arms and shoulder region? Must be the files you seniors had to carry building to building. All the files, carrying, pushing, lifting. You did, man. We use soft copies and we have to go to gym to work out. You were very lucky that way, no?
Seriously.
Fine, okay.
Nishit, what were we doing last Saturday at 10 in the morning?
We were at the Forum Mall, at the movie with the girls.
What were you doing?
I was doing my PM assignment.
Nishit, same afternoon, 2 p.m. What were we doing?
Lunch at Hard Rock Cafe with the girls, the other girls.
What were you doing?
Assignment submission?
Nishit, same evening, 6 p.m., 9 p.m., night, 11 o'clock. What were we doing? Yeah.
Sky bar, toy. We ended with a private house party.
What were you guys doing? Come on, tell us what you guys doing.
Assignments, projects, and some quiz work.
Yeah.
Yo, poor juniors. Don't be sad and all, okay? You know, back in our time, toppers of the batch used to go to US, London, Australia for 3 months of assignment as reward. They used to plan their travel, book tickets, get visas, plan holidays, shopping lists, and what?
I heard back then Chet Kamath, who was IDC lead, and he supported the idea of HR Academy also. I know, wasn't he the one who flashed his Accenture ID card and said, this does open many doors? Well, we take that as a source of inspiration and a sign of many more good things to come in.
Ah, yes. Doors will open. You guys are a fantastic batch. Your work and effort will surely pay off. So just believe and grow from strength to strength.
Ah, our batchmates have started to come.
Yeah, let's go and meet others. I see my batchmates looking their best. What a lovely end it seems to be.
Amitabh, convocation is not the end, my friend.
Of course, it is the new beginning.
And with that, let's start the party.
एक्सेल की गुड़िया very very smart है